Good morning. Welcome to DT video. In this DT video, we are going to discuss about the scheduling the cloud. We are talking about the cloud computing. So scheduling is we call it as heart of the cloud computing. Why? Because scheduling can be how the job allocated to the virtual machine. Then one by one we are giving the priority to the first job and second job. So which task will be completed first, and the second, third will be call it as scheduling. So scheduling plays a vital role in the cloud computing. So in this we can discuss about this scheduling thing. Can you tell me what is scheduling in the cloud computing?
So let me tell about the types of scheduling. First is first come first serve, and
Okay.
second is round robin. Third is shortest remaining time first, and fourth is priority scheduling. In first come first serve, the process which comes first in the queue will be executed first, and the remaining process will be continuing it. In round robin, there will be a fixed time slot for each process. After completion of each process, next process will be completed with given time slot. And third is shortest remaining time first. The process which has the shortest burst time will be executed first, and the next process with shortest time will be continuing it. And last is priority scheduling. In priority scheduling, which process is given high priority will be executed first.
Okay, from your point we are she discussed about the types. What are the different types of scheduling available in the cloud? So from her point, can anyone tell what is scheduling clearly? Definition of scheduling in the cloud computing. Kiri, can you tell me?
Scheduling means mapping a set of jobs to a set of machines.
Okay.
We generally call scheduling as priority scheduling. And for scheduling, to declare types of scheduling, we separate it based on three things: response time, and then throughput, and then latency. Latency means the turnaround time, and that response time means time it takes to respond when we give some input.
And suppose we are doing any job, allotting any task, job or scheduled task to the virtual machine, we need to check the response time, right? So from the point, response time is time taken to complete the particular task, right? So there are three types, right? So I mentioned throughput. Second one is latency and response time, right? So from the types of scheduling, we have different levels, right? Can anyone tell what are the levels available in the scheduling?
Let me say some main types of scheduling, which is static and dynamic. Static is a scheduling. It is a type which can be already, run. We know the virtual machine, which virtual machine is going to run the program. We have already decided that is static, and dynamic is we are going to. We know that this is the virtual machine that are going to be run. After running, we are going to decide. So that is the dynamic. Thank you.
So from that point, static and dynamic, there are two levels of scheduling, right? So first level and second level. So two levels can be scheduled. So which job is allotted to the machine, that should be given priority. So those job will be completed by a particular time. So that job will be allotted first. So time taken to complete the second job, it takes more time. So priorities we have to give in the scheduling. For example, monthly report we are generating, right? So in the banking statement, we have discussed these examples in the previous classes, right? So from I will relate to that example here. So for monthly report, we are scheduling from the day 1 to day 30, how much bill or what are the transaction will be reported in a single page report will be scheduled to the customer per day 1 or day 2 of the every month. So scheduled kind of reports will be received by the customer. So from that, every customer can be reduce their work. So by scheduling, we can reduce the work, then scalability, reliability, everything will be the benefits of scheduling in the cloud computing. So from here, we have discussed the different types of scheduling, right? So from that point, can anyone rate what are the scheduling things in the structure? What is the scheduling architecture? Can you tell me what is this scheduling things?
The scheduling algorithms categorized into the 6 types. It is the intermediate, batches and preemptives, non-preemptive, static and dynamic.
Okay, from this point, can you tell this scheduling how task is allocating to the virtual machine?
The task is allocated to the schedulings. It is categorized into the task 1, task 2, task 3. So it is a visual machine and also it is categorized also with visual machines 1, 2, 3.
Okay. From that point, scheduling can be task 1 to n3 up to n number of tasks, right? So these n number of tasks can be allocated to the scheduler. So scheduler types will be given here. So virtual machine 1, VM machine 2, VM machine 3. So n number of virtual machines we are using. For example, we have mobile phones and also we have this kind of virtual levels. Mobile phone is one kind of virtual machine. We are using laptop and also we have screen mirroring we can run in your TV. So this kind of host will be in the centralized one, and the guest OS, guest virtual machines will be different devices, whatever we are using in day-to-day life. So this is about the few things about the scheduling in the cloud computing. So we have discussed in the next class we can discuss the what are the scheduling algorithms available in cloud computing. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.